And as you focus on my voice, allow yourself to begin to let go of any tension, letting those thoughts go, noticing them come and go, and just letting them go. This is your time for peace, for healing, and for deep relaxation. And just take a deep breath in through your nose and release it slowly out through your mouth. Feeling your shoulders relax as you exhale. And again in through your nose and gently out through your mouth, allowing your body to relax a little more with each breath. And just breathing normally now, but imagining that breath traveling through the lungs down to the tummy. Breathing in fresh new energy and releasing anything that isn't useful. And now bring your attention to the top of your head. Imagine a wave of relaxation beginning there, soft and warm, floating down over your forehead, smoothing away any tension. Feel this wave move down into your cheeks, down to your jaw, releasing any tension. Allow a little separation between the back teeth. And let the relaxation flow down through your neck and your shoulders, gently melting away any stress. Feel it move into your arms, all the way to your fingertips. And now let that warm, soothing wave flow down into your chest, into your stomach, through the hips, thighs, knees, calf muscles, ankles, feet, toes and soles of the feet. And with every breath, feel yourself sinking deeper into relaxation, as though you're drifting on a calm and peaceful sea. You're safe, you're relaxed, and you're ready to heal. And now imagine yourself standing at the top of a beautiful staircase. It doesn't matter how clearly you see it. There are 10 steps leading down to a place of complete calm and serenity. With each step you take, feel yourself relaxing even more deeply. Taking the first step down, feeling your body growing heavier and more at ease. Now the second step, deeper still. And with each number I count, going further into relaxation. 3, and step 4, and step 5, halfway there, feeling so calm. Down to step 6, and 7, and 8, drifting peacefully, and 9, and 10, stepping off the staircase into a serene and quiet space. This is your sanctuary of healing, a place where your body and mind can restore balance, your sanctuary of healing, a place where your body and mind can restore balance. And in this peaceful state, bring your awareness gently to the sound you may hear within your ears. There's no need to resist it or fight it. Simply observe it. Simply observe it as though you're a scientist studying something from a distance. Now imagine the sound as a soft, glowing light. See this light in your mind's eye. It may flicker or pulse, but you're in control of it. And with each breath, you can turn it down, like a dial or a switch. Visualize your hand reaching out and turning this sound down, lower and lower, changing the tone, the volume, until it becomes softer and softer. With each breath, turning it down, like a dial or a control, lower and lower, softer and softer. Imagining the relief as the sound fades further into the background. Your subconscious mind helping you with this today. Your subconscious mind that beats your heart and breathes for you, running a complex immune system, all of your healing systems, tapping into your incredible subconscious that knows everything about you from the day you were born and before to this moment in this breath and this moment in this breath. Feeling more and more relief as the sound fades further distant, quieter and softer into the background. Notice how your body feels lighter and more comfortable as this happens. Your incredible mind is learning to let go of that sound, to tune it out, to release it. You're in control and safe. Now bringing your focus to your inner ears and nerves. Imagining a soothing, healing energy flowing into your ears, soft and warm like a golden light. This light carries healing and balance, repairing and restoring the delicate systems within. A soft and warm golden light that carries healing and balance, repairing and restoring the delicate systems within. Feel this golden light calming any irritation, easing any tension, and bringing complete peace to your inner ears. And as this energy works, your nerves relax completely. Any overactivity in your auditory system is calming now, becoming quieter and softer and still as you feel a deep sense of relief spreading through your head, your ears, and your entire body, your whole body. As this healing energy works, your nerves relaxing completely. Any overactivity in your auditory system is calming now, becoming quieter and softer still. You can begin to feel a deep sense of relief spreading through your head, your ears, and your entire body. Your brain is learning to respond differently to the sound instead of reacting. It feels calm and neutral and at peace. You are rewiring your mind to focus on the soothing silence within. And this silence grows stronger every day. And as you continue to relax, in your mind, repeat these affirmations, or just simply let them sink in. In your mind, repeat, my body and mind are healing. My body and mind are healing. My ears feel calm, balanced, and at peace. My ears feel calm, balanced, and at peace. I am in control of my focus and awareness. I am in control of my focus and awareness. The sound fades into the background and I feel calm. The sound fades into the background and I feel calm. Each day I experience more silence and tranquility. Every day I experience more silence and tranquility. You're strong and your body knows how to heal. Your brain knows how to adapt, trusting in this process and allowing yourself to feel at ease. In a moment I'll count from 1 to 5, and as I do, you can return to full wakefulness, feeling calm, refreshed, and at peace. So ready. 1, feel the energy return to your body. 2, becoming aware of the space around you. 3, taking a deep, energizing breath. 4, stretching out your hands, feet, and body. And 5, fully wide awake, alert, and feeling wonderful. Taking a moment just to come back to full awareness.